innovation, technology has become driving force behind the remarkable advancements. It has revolutionized industries, transformed how can we communicate, improved access in education, and enhancing healthcare system worldwide. Today we will explore numerous benefits that technology has brought to society and how it continues to shape a more connected and brighter future. Dear audience, technology is the application of systematic knowledge toward the development of a device, machine, or method of making or doing things. Humans have been developing technology for a very long time. The ability to create or design tools is considered as a definitive aspect of human beings. Humans alternatively are able to use their creative and organizational skills to develop a new solution for a problem. Tools are objects generated by humans with a purpose to solving problems. Early humans who invented technology did so with the motivation because they have the power to change their environment. When the technology were invented, people were able to use technology to meet human needs, desires, and wants. Technology performs very transformative role in breaking barriers such as economic barrier, geographical barrier, social and cultural barrier across the various aspects of society, facilitating greater inclusion, accessibility, and innovation. Honorable judges, social media gives marginalized communities a voice amplifying causes related to social justice, human rights, and equality. Digital activism has empowered movements like Me Too and Black Lives Matter, has enabling awareness and mobilization on large scale among the border. Immersive technology like virtual reality or augmented reality can create engaging hands-on education experience. For example, a student can explore historical sites, conduct virtual experiments, making abstract concepts more tangible. Technology can significantly simplify tasks in various domains by reducing errors, enhancing efficiency, and automate repetitive tasks. An instant communication platform like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom have streamlined communication and also able for instant messaging, video call, and file sharing. Cloud-based programs like Microsoft and Google Workspace allow multiple users to work simultaneously on documents, spreadsheets, or presentation, simplifying teamwork or enhancing productivity. Similarly, workplace automation tools like RPA, robotic process automation, have automated repetitive tasks such as data entry, scheduling, or report generation. This frees up time for employees to focus on more strategic or value-added things. My wise opponents and dear judges, according to Bill Gates, if we against technology, we against progress. Thanks to advanced technology, many other diseases before that are cause of massive death now is a pass-through. Scientists and doctors find different vaccines to help the people being healthier. Technology has dramatically changed the way we communicate each other. It has led to a several modes of electronic communication. We have reached at a certain point in civilization where instant and glitch-free communication are easily available. Not to forget this, technology has come to rescue during pandemic when the world was in lockdown. Putting outwards on internet and more video calling has paved the way for connecting each other. Uses of projector and video conferences are really helpful in the process of learning. By using these approaches, different kinds of students can be addressed. As it rightly said, that the necessity is the mother of invention. All invented technology that have emerged so far have been invented to meet the need of a society. After a careful analysis of different fields, I feel that the contribution of technology has made modern life really positive. But technology not only increasing the quality of life, but technology also improving the standard of human life. Thank you so much.